Hey, that's Mike and Holly, Alex, Eddie, and Chelsea.
Well, Chelsea was just asking if it was going to rain today, and it started pouring down rain. It's crazy. I wasn't expecting it to rain today, but I mean, it's Florida. It could rain anytime, right? Okay, guys, it's time for Find It Friday, where we hide an item in the vlog for you guys to find. Put down in the comments below exactly where it is for your chance for a shout out. This week, Chelsea's picked this little puppy that we got in our sweet box. It's Sergeant Stubby. They also included a DVD of the movie for us. We haven't watched it yet, though. We need to watch it. But you can just put down in the comments where the puppy is. You don't have to say Sergeant Stubby. So tell us in the comments below where the puppy is hiding for your chance for a shout out. Okay, guys, Chelsea is making a new discovery. She found her little flashlight and opened up the drawer. And she was asking me, she's like, Mommy, come here, come look at this. What is this? It is the glue that the cabinet makers use to put to like hold the drawer together. So underneath all the drawers is this glue, and that's how they keep the drawers together so they don't fall apart on us when we're using them. So she's been opening all the drawers and checking out all the glue that's underneath.
There's even more glue.
Kind of a fun little discovery, isn't it?
Yeah, there's even more glue.
So this is part of, being little and learning things. That's how they hold the cabinets together. On the sides here, there's little nail holes where they use like a nail gun. And then on the inside, there's screws. That holds the front of the cabinet on. So this dark brown piece.
Why is that?
I don't know, it's Daddy's candy. And then on the sides, this right here is a track. And that's what makes the drawer be able to open and close smoothly. Make sense? That's our toy drawer, like random little blind bag type toys and things like that. We put them in here in case we need them for like a video or a project, or Chelsea gets in there and plays with them.
Cool dudes are the best dudes.
What are you playing?
Fashion frenzy?
Chelsea found these sunglasses in the drawer. These are some, I actually got those from the dollar store of all places. And I was like, these are kind of cool. But when I put them on my face, they look kind of funny. They look really cute on you. Put them back on. You are so cool.
Cool dudes are the best dudes.
Well, you're a cool dude. Hey guys, I just got an order from Target that I'm excited about. So, gosh, a couple months ago, we were in Target and I saw this shirt and I was like, I have to have that shirt. I don't know why I didn't buy it at the time. I think maybe I was waiting for it to go on sale. I don't know. But we have our annual Gatorama trip coming up. And I was like, I want to wear that shirt when we go to Gatorama. So I went ahead and ordered it online. This is the medium. I ordered a medium and a small because I wasn't sure which one I would need. And it says, oh snap, and it's got an alligator on it. So I wanted to wear that to when we go to Gatorama. Plus, I just liked it anyway. I thought it was kind of funny. So, I'm a Florida girl.
Does it smell?
Yeah, it does.
It does. Does it smell?
Like new? I don't know. Like when you go to a store and I don't know, it just smells like something new. What do you think it smells like? Are you smelling the Doritos?
Smells like I got changed.
Like I don't know how to explain it. A new item, I guess. Smells new. But anyway, what do you guys think? Do you like my shirt? Oh snap! Oh my goodness. Flying a kite in the house. She has gotten some air on it. Oh, she's done. Tired? Someone's decided to do a little rock painting. It's been a long time since we did rock painting. We found some rocks over the year or so that we've been doing that hobby, but we haven't painted in a while. I think, I was looking for something in the cabinet and Chelsea saw the paint. So she's like, I want to paint a rock. And look, you're painting it the exact color of that plate. It's like a perfect match pink, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Blends right in. What kind of design are you going to put on there? Or is it just going to be all pink?
Actually, no, it's not going to be all pink.
It's not.
I can add some decorations on it.
Really? Wow. I'll make sure before you paint any other colors on there that you let it dry first.
Papaya.
Papaya. Wow, those are big. We're at the market. What are those? What are those? Oh, cool.
A little bit.
It's like a
What are
hairy
those?
strawberry. I don't know. Spanish limoncello?
Wait.
I don't know. Or
Which way,
rambutan?
which way does the menu go? Mango, so goes front to back? No.
We don't know.
that work?
I don't know. One of those things
Prickly
there.
pear.
Prickly
Is
pear?
that a prickly pear? Or is that a prickly pear? I'm trying to.
I don't know.
Tuna.
That says papaya.
Okay,
Well, I don't
literally
know.
don't know what that's
We
called.
don't know what that is. Dragon fruit.
Comes from dragons.
Fresh squeezed dragon.
Dragon seeds. Dragon droppings.
Chelsea's feeling the kiwis. They're soft. What are they? Kiwi. Say it again. Those are cactus.
Yeah, those are cactus. Those are
Yes,
pokey.
they do have pokies on them. I think they probably scrape most of it off, but I wouldn't touch just in case. Really? All right, Chelsea got one of these honey sticks. They had them up at the register,
I got it.
and they had different flavors. And she picked the mint, and I was like, oh boy.
Well, he had already rung it. I said I wanted one for her, and he already rung it up. Had I known it wasn't just normal honey, like normal
Oh.
flavored.
Yeah. Well, that's why I said just a normal honey. Can we get just a normal honey? But I think he was explaining you the flavors. What do you think? You kind of drink out of it like a straw, I guess. You like it?
I like sucking it.
Yeah? But do you like it?
It's minty.
It is pretty minty. Michael and I took just like the tiniest little taste of it and we're like, whoa. Okay, market haul time. So Chelsea's got her honey stick she's still working on. And we picked out, it's really nice. They have like individually wrapped. Oh no, nothing for Ed.
Oh no.
Individually wrapped chocolates. This one is a marshmallow. That's what Chelsea picked out. I got the maple cream and the buttercream. Daddy got a cashew cluster. Oh, you did find it. I was
Yep.
looking for those. We got the best in the world chocolate chip cookies. These are amazing. It's been a while since we've had some. Chelsea picked out blueberries, strawberries were only 99 cents, and
some sourdough bread.
some fresh baked sourdough bread. So that's everything that we got from the market. Such good stuff, and I think we're gonna break into the cookies.
Yeah.
That's kind of what we went
Yeah.
for.
We can fidget spinners. Cute little fidget spinners. Oops, a little bit more purple. Look at that. And make a bit. Oh no! I made a giant dot now.
That's okay.
And
What happened to your fidget spinner dots?
I want to make big circles, so half purple, half pink.
Oh.
Still the most nerve-wracking thing ever. Cutting your kid's fingernails and afraid that you're gonna, oh no, I lost it. Where'd it go? Oh, that's the worst. Cutting your kid's fingernails and trying not to snip their skin.
It's comforting as it's being done.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's that other nail. It's right there. Somebody's in a playful mood. Blanket party! Blanket party! He's sneezing all over your blanket.
Oh, I don't touch this blanket anymore. It's gross.
This is Ed's blanket,
That was
officially.
mine, and then I got that
Careful,
new
he'll
one.
bite you.
Stink.
That's funny.
Oh, gross.
And that's why I don't use that blanket no more.